Selanik Limanı arasındaki ro-ro seferlerinin teşvik edilmesine ilişkin mutabakat zaptını teati edeceklerdir.
Δεύτερη συμφωνία. Εκ μέρους της Ελληνικής Δημοκρατίας, ο Υφυπουργός Εξωτερικών Θεοχάρης Θεοχάρης και εκ μέρους της Τουρκικής Δημοκρατίας, ο Υφυπουργός Εξωτερικών Μεχμέτ Κεμάλ Μποζάι θα ανταλλάξουν κοινή δήλωση για την ενθάρρυνση της δημιουργίας ακτοπλοϊκής γραμμής Θεσσαλονίκης-Μύρνης μεταξύ των Υπουργείων Εξωτερικών.
Look at his face. Look at his face. If you want to understand the significance of that moment, just go look at the history between Turks and Greeks. Just go look at the history between Turks and Greeks, and you will understand the significance of that moment. But yeah, the Greek Prime Minister blows his nose, takes the snot-filled napkin, puts it in his pocket, and they're like, nah, and then puts it in the file that's going to be handed over to the Turkish president.